Here's how you can find your Instagram password and username in 2025. Open the Instagram app on your phone and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. In the top right corner, tap on the three lines to open the menu. At the top, you'll see Account Center, including password settings. Tap on it. In the Account Center, scroll down to Password and Security and tap on it, then select Change Password. Don't worry, we won't change it. We just want to view it. When prompted, tap on Instagram. You'll be asked to enter your current password. Tap the field, and it should autofill with your current password. If it does, tap the key icon above it to view all your saved passwords. You can tap the eye icon to reveal the password and copy it if needed. If this doesn't work or you can't find your password, go back to your profile to find your username. At the top left of your profile, you'll see your username. This is the one you use to log in. If you still can't locate your password, go to your device's app library or search on Android and search for the Passwords app. Open it and look for Instagram in the list. Tap on it to see both your username and password. You can reveal the password by tapping on it. Another option is to use Google Chrome. Open Chrome, tap the three dots in the bottom right, and go to Password Manager. This will display all passwords saved with your Google account. Search for Instagram, and you'll see both the username and password. Tap the eye icon to reveal the password. By following these steps, you can easily find your Instagram username and password without having to reset anything. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.